Let's explore how sexual reproduction takes place in plants. First up, let's know what gametes are. In plants, male gametes are housed within pollen grains, while female gametes reside within ovules. When these gametes unite during fertilization, they form a zygote, kicking off the process of seed development and the creation of a new plant. But how do male gametes get to the female gametes? So now, let's talk about pollination. This essential step involves the transfer of pollen from the male part of the flower to the female part, setting the stage for fertilization. There are two main types of pollination: insect pollination and wind pollination. Insect pollination relies on buzzing bees and fluttering butterflies to carry pollen from flower to flower, while wind pollination uses gentle breezes to transport pollen grains. But did you know birds and water might also facilitate pollination in some cases? Bird pollination, also known as ornithophily, occurs when birds such as hummingbirds and sunbirds transfer pollen between flowers as they feed on nectar, attracted by bright, tubular-shaped blooms. Water pollination, or hydrophily, involves the transfer of pollen between aquatic plants via water currents, ensuring fertilization occurs in submerged flowers, such as those found in water lilies and pondweeds. But what happens after pollination? It is fertilization. The magical moment when male and female gametes unite to create new life. As pollen grains land on the stigma, they germinate and send out pollen tubes, which travel down the style, to reach the ovary below. Once inside the ovary, the pollen tube releases the male gamete, which fuses with the female gamete to form a zygote. This union marks the beginning of seed development and ensures the continuation of plant life. Now, let's ponder the advantages and drawbacks of sexual reproduction in plants. On the plus side, sexual reproduction promotes genetic diversity, allowing plants to adapt to changing environmental conditions and evolve over time. Additionally, it facilitates the exchange of genetic material between different individuals, leading to the creation of stronger, more resilient offspring. However, sexual reproduction also has its drawbacks, such as the energy and resources required to produce flowers, attract pollinators, and produce seeds. Additionally, plants relying on insect pollination may face challenges if pollinators decline in number due to factors like habitat loss or climate change.